Yeah. Hello KT, but don't want to be copyrighted, so let's start this video. My everyday simple makeup routine. It's beginner friendly because I'm just a beginner also, so you can relate with this. I just do simple makeup. This my KT, you guys have been asking me for a makeup routine, and we're going to do it as we talk about life. How about that? Let's start with a fresh face. I've used this acne creamy wash to wash my face. It's my actual face wash and I love it so much. And then after that, I always use a Garnier Even Matte Soft Smoothing Toner. It smells so lemony, and it has really helped my skin to be more even. I used to have like high pigmentation on my sideburns and I hated it so much. So I usually take it up down my neck because I used not to do that, and it was really bad. I used to have like black neck and even but now it's even and I like it so much. So I usually let it dry first. Like, what's your favorite music to listen to? Discovered Saswiri Icy Girl. So I like this part. So I like that part where she says you're beefing with my enemy, that doesn't make you my friend. Something like that. Yeah, I'm really bad at lyrics. So the toner is setting, so now I'm going to go to the second step, and it's moisturizer. I love this Optimum Oriflame day moisturizer. It has an SPF of 20, and you ladies, SPF is really important. It has really helped my skin. This is the things I've been using the whole of last year, so I know what I'm talking about. You can see even the quantity that it has remained. Guys, having moisturizer is the best thing you can do. Moisturizer is the key. Like, even if you're not into makeup, you should have like a face wash that you prefer, and a really good moisturizer with the SPF. Yeah, that is all you need. So I was like looking at Quora the other day, and a dermatologist answered a question about like what is the key steps of having a good skin. The dermatologist only said like you only need 2 steps in that. Yeah, I know I did the tune-up, but I really needed it. But it's not actually a must. I usually don't even use the toner every single day. I try and use it maybe only when I apply makeup and I have like a really wash day and I've done mask and things like that. But you need only 2 things, especially if you are not into makeup that much. You don't apply makeup every single day. You need just a good face wash. Any company you like, you prefer, you use that, and you use a good moisturizer with sunscreen, SPF. Is it called SPF? With an SPF of 20, and you are good to go. Usually I don't even know the lyrics. I can whether to put primer on, because this primer is icy. This one is from Sephora. Oh god, this is gonna be a long ass video. But it's for you guys. If you like this kind of videos where they, please, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. For a beauty amplifier, gel magnified H2 mattifying H2 gel primer. What is it called? A nice nini. So I usually do like this. Nafanyanga tu hivi. Like my eyes, I sweat a lot. I'm an oily girl. I just apply where I have my T-zone palina sweating sana, and that's it here, or this eye pencil. I'm lucky my eyebrows are already in shape. so I don't do much to them. I'm a Fenty beauty, what's it called, like if Rihanna comes into town. Rihanna has released the bronzer and I'm really looking online to buy it, but oh my god, shipping to Kenya is another. So I usually have, this is for 40, that's my skin shade. So, and this is for 90. I have an extra for 90 that I'm selling, by the way. It's in a new box, it hasn't been used. So I usually like contour with the 490. Yeah, 490. I'll pour in like 1, 2. Only need 2, sour, because nobody got time. Usually dump my beauty blender. Dump on it. So I basically applied and blended in my foundation. As you can see, this is Fenty Touching Your Bitches. So now 90, the skin shade for 90. Just one part you gotta do. You can't be buying in makeup. Can you see that? Oh, gotta do like a 3 shape. Do you see that? So I'm going to do that to the other cheek also. It's like you are drawing. This is art and craft. You are. Setting deluxe. I'm going to use the black Opal deluxe finishing powder. It diminishes shine, natural matte finish because your girl is oily. Guys, blending is so key. Like I can take 20 minutes just blending in everything. So now my base is okay. I'm chiseled, I'm baked, and yeah, I don't bake, guys. I just put on like layer of powder until I like what I'm seeing, and my eyebrows are already laid. So the next step I do, I'll keep on be blending step by step because I sweat the effing out like I'm a sweater. And the funny thing about me, I only sweat on my face. I just sweat on my armpits, so that's so weird. So I have this clear bag that I like so much, the combat thrifting. Like, I like it very much. Don't ask me why I bought it. I bought it at Killawatt, one of my main purchases. So after that, I usually like deal with my eye. I'll use this Babyline palette. Oh, I just want the Rihanna palette, but girl, it's so expensive. So this one is it, and all I can say is, guys, just invest in your makeup because you won't be buying it much. And I'm a really careful person, and look what it's done. I don't even walk around with my makeup, so that's a bummer. So sad about that. So I'm gonna do my eye makeup. I'm really not good at eye shadows, so I'm gonna do a basic. Yo. So I'm gonna take the purple, and kwanza ile favorite yangu ndo imepasuka. Basically how I do my shadow. What's it called? The Kat Von D Tattoo Eyeliner. Can you see it? Yes, I love these shades. Why? Yeah. All my makeup I had to ship it in. I think I've done some powder. Going to take Oriflame, the one high impact eye pencil, and it looks like that. So I like it because it slides so easily. I'm gonna outline my waterline because I love one just so. To use the Oriflame concealer, Beautiful Brows. And tapping. Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in the Freestyle. Killawatt Freestyle highlighter duo, the Ginger Bite and Mule. Ginger Bite. This is Ginger Bite. Wow. 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 I went too deep. Wow. So I'm going to use the simple, this brush here, and just dip the Mule in my inner tear. See that? Can you see how it's popping? It's popping. So this is how I'm looking. So the next one is the mascara, and this one is Maybelline. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Volume Express Mascara from Maybelline. And if you are here, I would love for you to choose for me the lipstick. So I have my favorite lipstick here. I have FENTY, and I have MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color So Me. So what I'm going to do, I feel like choose for me in the comments, even though I'm going to apply the red one, because I want to feel so extra today because of the wig I'm going to wear. I'm wearing a new wig. See how red it is. Now I'm gonna wear the